changing the view. Okay, that's one option. And these are nothing but the fields in the specific table. Okay, and we're going to have a different class for fields and tables, how to create them, how to manage them, and all the stuff. Okay, but we are understanding the updates. Sorry, we are understanding the form level UI, and then you can able to see the section. Okay, and you can able to add, remove, hide, show the sections according to your needs to a specific form or to a specific table. Okay, and this is the activity log, just like we have said. So each and everything will be captured in here. So if you observe, let's take the recent record which we have updated. Let's start by recently updated, then you can understand. Okay. Now you can see that each and every change will be captured and stored in the specific activities. Okay, and if you want to store anything saying that the client wants to close this request and to create a new one. Okay, you can able to post it directly from here without saving it. Okay, that kind of level of interaction you can able to do. And there are two types of comments: work notes and additional comments. And it depends on the companies which you have been working with, and if you are supporting a client, and if you want to interact with the internal users with it along with the team, you can able to mention that over here. But if you mention that the client was also wants to know about it, you can click here and then type. Okay, this will be visible to the client or to the customer. I can say that, hey, uh, hi team, or hi, what exactly the name of the client is, or the name of the individual. We have fixed the issue and the server is up and running. We have checked and verified it. Can you please confirm so that we can close this incident? Thanks, IT help desk. Okay, the moment you are going to post an email or what kind of notification has been sent, or it has been configured, will be triggered, and then the client will get this email saying that this is what exactly the issue and this is what exactly has been updated to the specific incident, and then the client is going to reply back, and then this is going to be captured in here itself. Okay, and you can able to see the UI actions over here as well, and these are the UI actions again, related links, and then you can able to see the related lists. Okay, so depending on what kind of related list you want, the customer wants to add, you can able to create them over here. Okay, any questions so far? Iqbal, Swati, Sweta?
No, did you just send the email or it's just a post?
It's just a post, but if it has been configured, imagine that whenever this is what exactly the requirement or what the client has said, saying that whenever this incident is being updated, I want to trigger notifications to individuals. In that kind of scenarios, the email will be triggered.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Gotcha. So, any more questions? Iqbal, Swati, Sweta?
No for me.
Okay, cool.
Irfan, I have a question about this form view. If you
Please,
go back,
please.
yeah. So what type of this color field is?
This is
Because
a
I see the tree sign there. The hierarchical.
this is a, this
It's
is a
showing.
reference field.
It's what?
It's a reference field.
Reference field. Okay.
This field is a reference of another table.
And what is the stand for this icon? That actually showing some
So
branch
we're going to talk
hierarchy.
about we're going
Huh?
to talk about the fields, the type of fields, and the type of tables we are going to create, and each and everything regarding this.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
because the thing is like, if you're going to ask now, so if I'm going to explain now, you'll get
Yeah.
confused. The other people also will get confused.
Okay.
Okay, so we are going to have a class on the tables and the uh, specific field types, different field types, different form designing, form layout, each and everything we are going to understand from scratch.
Hmm.
Okay, because this is a different field, this is a number field, and text, single line text, and this is a choice, this is a reference, and this is going to be a small string, like large string, and again this is a reference, and each and everything. So we have different types of fields available in the form. How your client or how your customer wants to see it, you can able to, you have to build it. Okay, you have to customize it. Is it
Okay.
clear, Paul?
Yeah. 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 Thank you.
So Irfan, we have some scripting also, right, in this?
Yes, you
So
do
it's
have to.
Java scripting, right? So if someone who doesn't have Java knowledge, so what's the homework we need to do on that? How far do we need to learn that Java scripting?
Exactly. So you need the basics of JavaScript. So ServiceNow doesn't need the entire JavaScript. If you know the basics, that will be enough to declare a variable, to create a string, to create a function, to assign the value specific record, and each and everything. The basics of JavaScript will be enough. So
Do you have any material for that? For us to
I
learn?
I can able to provide some videos to it. Over there, you can able to go and watch. There are 2 hours videos, I guess, and I recommended the same to the other people as well, and they are very happy about it.
Yeah, can you please suggest us the videos for us so that we can go through them?
Sure, I'll share the link with Katie, or in the next class, I'm going to share you the link.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
no problem. Okay, and I recommend to start the JavaScript videos once you start the advanced configurations. Then you have 10 to 12 days to practice the JavaScript so that you can able to master yourself by the time I'm going to start the development. Okay,
Okay.
gotcha. Any more questions, Iqbal, Swati, Shweta?
I just have a last one more question about this form. There
Please,
is
please.
another function that calls insert or stay. What is the
Yes.
difference between insert and stay and
Okay.
updates? I confuse sometimes, so that's
No
why.
problem. Totally fine. I can understand that. So there are other ways as well of creating a record. Okay. One is going to be insert, and another one is going to be insert and stay. Okay. So what happens here is, imagine that you have created a record. Okay. And you want to create a replica of this record. So you want to see the same category, the same subcategory, and then the same information each and every field, but you want it as a duplicate record with another record number. In that kind of scenarios, you can be able to insert a record. Okay, then once you insert the record, you will be redirected to a list view. Okay, but the moment you are going to click on insert and stay, the record will be created, and you will be on the same page with same changes of what you've done. Okay, that means that you have chances to create more records. Am I clear?
If you
So
don't mind, can you show us some example on that?
Okay, I thought that would should it. Okay, that's a bit fine. So imagine that. Let's take a concept of UA policies. Do not try to understand what is a UA policy at all. So I'm going to teach you in that part. So if I'm going to click new and then select the table incident. Okay, I'm going to fill up the short description saying that this UA policy is used to create, or let's say to make a field mandatory. Okay, and then I'm going to select the order and then provide the condition whenever a priority is 1. Okay, now I'm going to save it. Okay, this is general plan, but once you are going to save it, you can able to see the option insert and inserting state. Okay, now all of the changes is been done. Okay, but I need to make only minor changes in this specific record. That means that I want to change the short description saying that for incident view, and I want to create another record with it, and I want to change some configuration 1 or 2. Okay, and I want another record to be created in this specific case. In that kind of scenarios, I can able to say insert. So the record will be inserted and I will go